We start with some breaking news. This afternoon, clashes broke out between supporters of a BJP candidate and an independent candidate in Sitapur in Uttar Pradesh. The clashes took place during the nomination for the block elections. 3 people also sustained injuries in these clashes. Clashes and firing reported in Sitapur in Uttar Pradesh. These clashes, of the information we have, essentially broke out between supporters of a BJP candidate and supporters of an independent candidate. You can see those visuals on your television screens of these violent clashes that have been reported in Sitapur in Uttar Pradesh. Also, some security personnel there who resorted to lathi charge to bring the situation under control, because these are 2 groups essentially of supporters of BJP candidate and supporters of independent candidate who got into these violent clashes. 3 people also sustained injuries during these clashes. Clashes along with firing that was reported as far as this incident goes in Sitapur in Uttar Pradesh, and we keep up with those visuals we are picking up of these clashes being reported in the state of Uttar Pradesh. That also, by the way, goes to polls next year. Preparations are already underway, and certain political developments taking place on the sidelines. Meanwhile, as far as this incident is concerned, you have supporters of a BJP candidate and supporters of an independent candidate clashing with each other. Also, some sort of firing that was reported in Sitapur in Uttar Pradesh, and you have security personnel there, police personnel there who have been deployed, who are trying to negotiate with these supporters of the 2 groups, trying to bring the situation under control. We'd also put out visuals of how they had to resort to lathi charge to really bring the situation under control. And yes, these are the visuals we are talking about, with the police personnel resorting to lathi charge. And Piyush, my colleague, is also joining us on the phone line. Piyush, we saw the police personnel having resorted to lathi charge. They were also trying to hold discussions and perhaps, ease down the situation a bit. But what really went wrong? Why did these clashes take place in between the BJP supporters and the independent supporters?
We are right now witnessing these pictures where we can clearly see as to how the clashes have broken out between the supporters of BJP candidate and then independent candidate in Sitapur of Uttar Pradesh. The clashes took part during the nomination for the block elections. Remember that block elections are also to take place in Uttar Pradesh, and what we are given to understand is that 3 people have now been injured in these clashes. As of now, the situation is under control, but yes, the clashes have broken out, and in fact, the reports of firing is also coming in when these clashes took place. This took place during the block Pramukh election nomination. 3 people have now been injured in this, and the police is trying to trying to understand the situation right now. But right now, the situation is under control. 3 people have been injured. Earlier also, we have seen similar sort of activity taking place during the panchayat polls in some parts of Uttar Pradesh. But once again, this is happening between the supporters of a BJP candidate and then an independent candidate. We are waiting for an official word from the administration there, though administration is telling us that the situation is under control, but we are waiting for an official word from them to understand as to what actually happened. But the initial reports are suggesting that it happened during the nomination for the block Pramukh election. Those are all set to take place there. 3 people have been injured. Good sign of relief as of now is that nobody has there's no casualty which has been reported from this very place. 3 people have been injured, and further investigations in this entire case are underway.